One of the most popular and best known asset protection tools is the Offshore Asset Protection Trust. Many times people call me on the phone and ask me whether I can assist them in creating an offshore trust. Hi, my name is Jonathan Alper and I'm an asset protection attorney located in Orlando, Florida. The way an offshore trust is supposed to work is it is a trust or a contract created in a foreign jurisdiction outside the United States. The trustee of the trust, who operates the trust, is a non-U.S. citizen, either a foreign national or a trust company situated in the same jurisdiction where the trust was created. So in theory, it is argued that a U.S. court cannot get at the debtor's assets placed in the trust because the court has no jurisdiction over either the assets held offshore or jurisdiction over the offshore trustee. In fact, it doesn't always work that way because a U.S. court in many case decisions have compelled the U.S. debtor to repatriate the assets or to fire the trustee, because even though the U.S. court may not have jurisdiction over your offshore trustee, it has jurisdiction over you, the debtor. What it comes down to then is whether the debtor is willing to comply with the order to compel or face contempt. In most cases, where this gets that far and a debtor has disobeyed a court order compelling him to bring back the assets, the court will incarcerate the debtor until he complies. Now, this doesn't mean an offshore trust is ineffective, because most cases don't get that far. In most cases where a creditor has a judgment and finds that the debtor has already put assets in an offshore trust, the creditor will be more willing to negotiate a favorable settlement, especially when the offshore trust was funded and set up more than 4 years ago beyond any applicable statute of limitations. The best way that you can implement an offshore trust is to do it early, before you have any creditor problems. If you would like more information about offshore trust or asset protection planning in general, please give me a call. My number is 407-444-0404. And thanks for watching.